Enterprise Pascagoula gas plant explosion and fire at Moss Point, Mississippi. This took place June 27, 2016. My name is Alan Pittman. This is for SCTC 420. The overview of this happened sometime before 11:22 p.m. on June 27, 2016. A major loss of containment resulting in the release of methane, ethane, propane, and several other hydrocarbons at Enterprise Products Pascagoula gas plant in Mississippi. The hydrocarbon ignited, initiating a series of fires and explosions, which ultimately shut down the site for almost 6 months. Two workers were on the night shift when the incident occurred and were uninjured. Had the event happened during the day when a larger number of personnel were working amid the process line, the consequences could have been much worse. Enterprise Products incurred $10.4 million of expense due to fire response activities and another non-cash loss of $7.1 million as a consequence of the incident. These are the 14 OSHA PSM elements, which is employee participation, process safety analysis, process safety information, process hazard analysis, operating procedures, training, contractors, pre-startup safety review, mechanical integrity, hot work permit, management of change, incident investigation, emergency planning and response, compliance audits, and trade secrets. The problem was mechanical integrity at PGP. So within the PSM standard 1910 119J, the mechanical integrity states that employers shall document that equipment complies and recognize and generally accept good engineering practices. 104 and inspections and testing procedures shall also follow, and that the frequency shall be consistent with the manufacturer's recommendations and more frequent if determined to be necessary by prior operating experience. All PSM covered equipment the standard says shall comply with the guidelines or follow manufacturer recommendations, including the frequency of inspections and tests. This is the illustration of the fire from that night.